Let's go to the movie!
Darn David, please get ready to go to the movie. Time to go.
Mom, what kind of movie are we gonna watch?
We're going to see Robert and the Land of Robots.
That sounds cool.
Hello, what can I get for you?
We would like 5 popcorns and 5 water bottles.
Can we have some candies?
No.
But the movie is so boring!
Go to your room now, darn David.
I'm sorry, Mom.
It's all right, darn David. Just remember to behave better in the movie.
I will. If you enjoyed this brand new video, watch more of our videos on YouTube.